Good morning, you guys. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita, but you can call me Key. It's cool with me. Y'all seen the title, so y'all already know what's about to go down. I'm going to be doing a review on this Spa Pore Cleanser Suction Blackhead Remover. Before we get started, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth because I just got out the shower, and I won't be complete unless I brush my teeth. I can't never see my face because the camera is on the stand, but it's cool. Long as y'all can see me, that's all right. I did an unboxing of this toothbrush. This is a Pro B electronic toothbrush. It really helps to get the plaque out of your teeth. If you have hard to reach spots, this toothbrush is the way to go. Today's toothpaste, I will be using my Colgate. And this is zero, meaning it's clear and it doesn't have any color or anything to it. So it's clear. Let's get to this bad boy. I'm so excited to do this review. I seriously love doing reviews on all types of products because y'all need to know how these products work. I was gonna say I hope it got batteries because I ain't buying none. Usually I keep batteries, but I don't have none. But I forgot it's rechargeable. If you have normal to sensitive skin, it is good for you. Removes blackheads. Water resistant, so if you get it wet, it's cool. And it's rechargeable. It comes with a USB cable. This is the main tool right here. These things are called probes. Those little things right there. Oh snap, this is really finna get the oil on my face. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm gonna put it on number 5. Watch that oil come right through there. It's gonna like I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with some plain water because I think that's the best way you guys can see, or maybe I should put some kind of soap on my face. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use the soap. Hello. Alright, I got the camera at an awkward angle. I know this already. Okay, maybe I could get down like this so y'all can see me better. Try not to get the soap in my eyes because I don't want to be blind or have red eyes. I should have had my little brush thing to wash my face, but it's okay. Whatever. Let's try it on this side because this is where I see the oil. I'm so scared. Okay, here we go. Ooh, you can see the oil. Y'all see that? Wow, look at the oil. Oh wow, I wonder if y'all can see that up close. Look at the oil. This is amazing. I absolutely love this. I recommend you wetting your face first and then like slowly, very slowly move it across your skin. It works really well on a wet face because you don't want your skin dry. You can see the oil in here. I just can't get it close enough and focus. Yeah, this thing is amazing. I've always had problems trying to get the oil out the side of my nose without feeling like it was painful. Wow, it is so much in here. And it's dying, unfortunately. Can you guys see all that oil in there? All that dirt and oil. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. So I'm gonna use a few drops because I don't know if a little goes a long way. This is super smooth, you guys. Wow. Alright, you guys, so that wraps it up for this video. This was a review for the Pore Cleanser Suction Blackhead Remover. Leave a comment down below if you would like to see a part 2 and I would use the other suction cups. The product works amazing. I don't think I use it every day unless I really feel like I need to get that oil up out of my skin. So maybe every other day I'm going to be using this product. Other than that, I will use the cucumber seed oil every single day just to keep you guys updated on how it works with my skin. So far so good. My skin feels nice and soft. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share this video with anyone and everyone that you guys know. Look through my channel, look through my playlist, and binge watch my videos. I want to reach my goal of 2K subscribers. And if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my previous video. That video is called Early Shoe Shopping for School. It had over 30K views. I had to repost it because I noticed that it was deleted from my channel. I will be sure to link it in this video, you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.